My name's Kendall. I'm with Wolf Industries as a project manager. Today we're going to be setting our 4-piece modular unit. So we're going to set the 2 lower units, and then we'll set the 2 units up top. And then we're going to do that hopefully 3 times today. We'll get all the houses set. This is the first time we've done a stacked unit, so we're excited to see how this process unfolds. Got a beautiful day out here in Aberdeen. We're going to make the best use of it.
Yeah, this is our first time doing the 4-plex with the 4 units all stacked together. So some of the challenges here is setting these multi-units or multi-piece on one foundation with the crane is we have to use these, we can't use normal straps because otherwise the straps will be squeezed in there. So we have to use these metal straps. They'll be coming in here soon. Okay, so now we're using these metal straps instead of the nylon straps. We're using these metal ones because then when we're done, we can just cut them off. We won't be able to pull them out when the house is set next to the other unit.
We've had some challenges, but we're learning and we're progressing. It seems like now that we're setting our 4th box, everyone's figuring out their roles, and yeah, We'll be faster tomorrow. Thank you for joining us for our first 4-piece modular. Went well, and we look forward to working with you in the future. And if you have any questions, check out our website.